Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. And to those of you who subscribe, thank you. Today, I'd like to introduce to you my Yagi antenna. It's homemade, built much like a Joe gun, as I use a square boom with my elements going directly through the center of the boom. I like that because it's very strong. It's built to Mako specifications. I could not find Joe gun specifications online. This antenna weighs 47 pounds. It's been up for several years. Um, it has one driver, one reflector, and two directors or radiators. You'll see coming down the tower there are several bearings. All can be greased and carry the mast. I do not use a rotor. So I came down here with a right-angled gearbox, and I went across to the back of the shop. I used a U-joint. I have to have a brake because I live a few miles from the ocean. It gets very windy here. So an exterior brake that is usually left off, but put on if there's going to be a storm or something, is worked by using these two handles, as you see here, and I can just turn it and lock it right down. It just pinches the mast. And that's just a bracket off the back of the gearbox, as you can see, over to these handles. And I can take this tower down all by myself very quickly. I'm taking it down tomorrow to paint it. I hook up to this chain with a cable and lower it with a tractor. As we enter into the shop, this is how I turn the antenna, borrowed from a design from a submarine, maybe World War I, World War II, I don't know. I was reading about how they did it. And so I kind of stole their design. I go through the back wall to that U-joint we saw. Carrier bearing that can be greased. The locking system that I normally use is right here, if it's not going to be really windy. So turn this ball on the lathe and, made the handle male threads, put on the handle female threads, and it just pinches down, locks right there like that. So, open it up. And, the steering wheel turns the antenna right or left,